Histology of nervous tissue. 4 types of tissue in the body: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous. When we get into nervous tissue and look at the histology, there's 2 primary types of cells: neurons, which are my nerve cells, and then neuroglia or glial cells, which are the supporting cells. There's different types of neurons. When we get to nervous system, we'll talk about the types because the structure creates the function. And then we'll talk about the different neuroglia because they have specialized functions. But to me, it's like looking at space. So if I take the left side of this picture and I see all these big purple stars here, these are all neurons. And these are what we call multipolar neurons. They have a motor function or reaction function to respond to stimulus. So all of these are neurons. Any of these tiny dark dots throughout the slide are neuroglia or glial cells, which are my supporting cells. And then if I expand on this on the right side, take one of these neurons, that's one of these neurons. So I see one nerve cell, and then all of my tiny dark dots, again, are my neuroglia or glial cells. When I look inside at a neuron, the main piece, if I just draw like a rectangle to this is the cell body, and we call it the soma for the nervous cell. So the neuron has a soma, which is the main meat of the cell. When I look around it, I have the nucleus, and then the tiny dark dot is the nucleolus. So nucleus and nucleolus. And then a lot of texts will just refer them as neuronal processes, which are my axons and my dendrites. When I look at dendrites, and I drew that little dot there, when I look at this dendrite here, they tend to start wide and then taper off. So dendrites is that receiving sensation, to receive sensation, but then axons tend to stay the same width going all the way down. So these neuronal processes, axon dendrites, it helps with the communication. When we go back to how we communicate with selective permeability, this concept will come in and how we spread information. So this is nervous tissue, neurons, and neuroglia.